Today's a very busy day here. I've been here since 8 o'clock this morning. I've got the plumber here who's doing some work with his brother. This looks good. Have a shower over there, a toilet, and wash my hands over here. So far I don't have water, I don't have electricity. This is where my electricity comes from, so I'm not really connected. That's the next big step, getting electricity here. That's my new shower. Now I need to clean up this area. This, as you might remember, was my chimney. I took it off last year here and a couple of weeks ago up in the attic, and I need to clean all of this now.
Ground. Oh, when I hit the ground. Oh, when I hit the ground. I call out from the hill. I call and I am standing still. When will I feel it feel? Oh, when will I feel it feel?
This side of the beam has well been eaten by parasites. So I'm gonna go to the attic and have a look if the beam is eaten from above as well.
Oh, now when I move at speed, I move, but I do not see. Oh, how could it be? Oh.
Not so good news. Was to be expected. I knew there was something wrong. But this doesn't really look that promising, I have to admit.
How could it be? Oh, now when the wind does blow and it takes me onto my toes. It takes me onto my toes. It takes me onto my toes. Oh, oh.
Good morning. It's 10 past 8. I brought my green tea and I'm waiting for the roofers.
No, where you gonna go?
Vas-y, Théo, on lui colle pas. Alors, moi je le lâche. Ouais, vas-y, vas-y. Lâche. Ah bon.
Go, why you laying so low? I wouldn't know if you knock on my door. Pride, oh, with the moving tide.
Wow, what a busy day. Now it's almost 8 p.m. I think I started my day 12 hours ago at this place. I did a lot of stuff today. Had a bit of fun with the roofers. Then I went to do some gardening at a neighbor's place. And tomorrow I will have a delivery of a new fence, cast iron, and a very old bathtub, which is gonna go in my new bathroom someday. Well, that's it for today. Have a good night. Well, see you tomorrow most likely, and take care, stay safe, see you around. Bye bye. Good morning, I'm back in my attic. I brought a bigger hammer if this baby doesn't work. I brought the biggest I could find.
Oh, would it move you right? Oh, would it move you wrong? And oh, now and I know it's true. Oh, what makes us blue? Oh, what makes us blue?
The moment of truth has come.
Oh, is it the end of you? Oh, where you gonna go?
Went down smoothly. Well, it went down a bit rougher than expected, but less than I feared. That looks alright. Oh, that's a very nice hole.
So, why you laying so low?
This is some heavy stuff. Really, really heavy. But I'm happy. And yeah, I've got a new old fence. And a very nice bathtub as well.
Knock on my door.
I've got very good news. I've got water. I'm connected to the city's water supply. Now I've got a brand new meter. Just this baby over here. Brand new. He also changed the pipes, all of those. He changed this one he gave me for free. So I'm a very happy customer, and I can finally use a proper toilet instead of peeing into a champagne bottle, which I've been doing for the last 6 months. I also called the electrician this morning. He's gonna come in one of those days. And yeah, I mean, water and electricity, that's basically the end of my renovation project. I'm gonna go home now, so, well, take care wherever you are, have a good cup of tea, enjoy a good night's sleep, and, well, see you around, probably tomorrow or in my next video. Bye bye, have a good night, bye! I broke my hammer. This is the 3rd time in 3 days that this happens. We fixed it at home. Well, it's a very old hammer, but nevertheless it should be able to withstand my force, which is very limited. And I do have a smaller brother, but this is really a joke.